everybody, guess what? I'm preparing for my garage sale. Sorry, it's dark in my garage. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I finally have it all started, but I am selling my stockpile, and I am selling it way below, like sometimes just a little bit more than what I paid for it. And the reason is I have so much stuff, I need to get rid of it. I'm still helping out a ton of people, and basically what I'm doing is I'm getting back the money I paid for the product, and then I'm also getting back the my coupons, my time driving. So it's like, this is what I'm doing, and not everybody likes to do garage sales, but I'm doing it because I need to get rid of stuff, and this is my very first one I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm selling. I just posted on the Buy, Sell, and Trade of Facebook, and I've already had tons of people take an interest at it, and it doesn't start until tomorrow. And one person asked if, you know, she could come over later, and then she's like, well, can I come before work? And I says, why don't you just come right now? So I've already made 2 sales just by, you know, posting stuff on Facebook. But here I got some shampoo and conditioner. Sorry, the light's not the greatest, you guys. I'm in the dark. But here we got just Herbal Essence, Aussie, Dove, and Suave. I have all those marked for $1. Here I got baby items marked for $2. I'm selling diapers for $4. I only got just those 2. Some baby wipes and butt wipes. And then I got blankets because I don't use those as my backdrops anymore. Here's all the laundry detergent. I've kept a lot of it, but I need to get rid of majority of it. So I'm selling it for $2 for all the liquid detergent and $3 for the pods. So there's that. Deodorant, this whole thing is full. I got that for $1. Selling all this hair dye for $2. And then this is my miscellaneous table. So this is just stuff that I got from those Michael boxes that I just want to get rid of. So I'm selling those for like $1 or 50 cents a piece. Got some costumes that we got on clearance at Toys R Us for 90% off a couple years ago, but Ben's too big for those, and we're just going to see if we can sell it. You guys can see I was a huge Twilight fan. Twilight's one of my favorite movies still, so getting rid of those. I still have a ton of other stuff I want to sell. So depending on what my sale is on Friday, I might add more stuff. But here are these 2 shelves right here. I'm selling all this stuff for $2. I just got, you know, $2 each. So people can just pick and choose what they want. I think they're good in a good deal. Some of this stuff runs between like a couple bucks to $10. So they're getting a pretty good deal. Here we got some soap. I've already sold some soap already. But we're selling this stuff. Body wash. People have already taken a dent in my body wash already. It's crazy. Yes, I'm selling it for $1. I think that's an awesome price, but I'm just most likely to get rid of this stuff than anything else. Here I got toothpaste. I'm selling all the toothpaste for $1. I think that is a very good deal. Medicine. I got so much medicine, so we just called it the medicine cabinet, and we're selling that for $1 a piece. Here we got some facial cleanser. Toothbrushes I'm selling for 25 cents a piece. Mouthwash, I don't got very much. Here's all like my feminine products and stuff. I'm selling all this stuff because I don't use it. I made this little contraption thing when I used to make jewelry. So I thought this would be a great thing to hang up razors. So all these razors are going to be $2. So I think they're getting a steal. I might be losing some money on some of this stuff, but I don't care. I'm making money in other places, so we got that. I ended up selling some of my Amapays. I didn't sell all of them, but I'm selling some of them just to see if anybody wants a bite. Here's all my makeup remover. I'm selling all that for $1. More feminine products. Playtex, $2. Carefree, $1. Kotex liners, $2. I'm selling the Kotex U for $3. This stuff for $2. I got tons of like other seasonal stuff that I got. So I'm selling this stuff just to get rid of it, you guys. I'm like not attached to any of this stuff. Here's my makeup table. I got all this eyeshadow for $1. Miscellaneous stuff is going to be $2. Sorry, the lighting's really bad in here. Mascara is $1. I also had a sign in here for the Wet n Wild mascara. I'm selling those for 50 cents. Nail polish, all that stuff is for $1. Brows and lip stuff. I have a friend who's selling her toddler mattresses, so we're selling those for her. We're going to put those outside. And then here is my shampoo and conditioner table. So again, Garnier Fructis, we're selling it for $1. The whole blend's $1. Husband wanted to sell the Tresemme, the Tresemme, the L'Oreal, and the Glisten, the Pantene for $2. So I'm like, whatever. We'll see how it sells. So this is what I'm selling at my garage sale. Like I said, I've already made a couple bucks already selling some of this stuff. So this is kind of just how I have it set up. I don't have a lot of tables, so I ended up getting some boxes and just putting some shelving and stuff on there. But yeah, so that is what I am selling, just so you guys can get an idea. And I will be making another video after this showing you guys how my garage sale went. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But I think I got it pretty much priced. I mean, pretty much everybody's getting this stuff for free, but I have so much of it and I'm helping out a lot of people. You're getting a lot of great deals with a lot of this stuff. So I'm here to help everybody. But let's see what happens next. See you guys later. Bye-bye.